Welcome to the second lesson in our Quality of Life section. In this lesson, we'll learn the most important hotkeys for speeding up your work in Google Sheets. These shortcuts save time and help you stay focused on your data without constantly reaching for the mouse. To copy data, use Ctrl+C. This will copy the data of the cells you have selected, whether it is one or many, and when you paste, it will try and follow the format of the copied data. And to paste, use Ctrl+V. To cut data, use Ctrl+X. This means that the data in the original cell will actually be moved to its destination instead of copied. Mistakes happen. Use Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. You can press it as many times as you want to undo every past action in the sheet in the order they were made. If you undo too far, use Ctrl+Y to redo. For example, delete a row, then press Ctrl+Z to bring it back instantly. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also find the Copy, Cut, Paste, Undo, and Redo buttons at the top of the toolbar. But remember, the hotkeys are faster once you build the habit. To search within your sheet, press Ctrl+F. For example, to find fake name 42, open the search box with Ctrl+F and type the name. To access an advanced Find and Replace menu, use Ctrl+H. You can use this menu to do all sorts of things, but that's for another video. For basic text formatting, highlight a cell and press Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U for underline. To quickly fill formulas, use the following hotkeys. To copy formulas down a column, select the range and press Ctrl+D. To copy formulas across a row, press Ctrl+R. This quickly fills multiple cells with the same formula. These hotkeys cover the core actions you'll use every day in Google Sheets. Use them until they become second nature, and you'll notice how much faster and smoother your workflow becomes. You'll be a pro in no time. Stay tuned for our next video in our Quality of Life series.